Let's sing and learn, it's so much fun. M and O for everyone. We'll explore, we'll move, we'll shout hooray. Come along, let's start today. M is for monkeys, so playful and wild, swinging and dancing just like a child. Scratch your head, make a funny face, clap your hands and jump in place. N is for nightingale, listen so clear, tweet tweet songs lovely to hear. Flap your wings and sing so sweet, dance to the rhythm, move your feet. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night, be an owl so wise and bright. P is for panda, soft and round, crunching bamboo with a munching sound. Roll, roll, tumble and play, let's be pandas all the way. Q is for quail, so small and fast, hiding in bushes as we run past. Tiptoe softly, don't make a sound, let's find the quail all around. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night, be an owl so wise and bright. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night, be an owl so wise and bright. Jump, 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 wiggle your nose, thump, thump, thump. Let's hop together, 1, 2, 3, bouncing like rabbits, wild and free. S is for squirrel, quick and small, climbing up trees so nimble and tall. Crunching acorns, 1, 2, 3, let's hop like a squirrel just like me. Oh, 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 leaping high, let's count to 4. Pounce and play, run with pride, like a tiger side to side. U is for unicorn, sparkle and shine, prancing around in a dance so fine. Gallop, twirl, wave up high, like a unicorn touching the sky. Oh, to you we sang today, learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more, come back soon for letters galore.